day, beautiful souls. A day to raise that frequency. A day to raise that vibration. Take that good ass energy I'm sending to you right now. A day to live in peace, love, and harmony within yourself and amongst others. I am Cosmic Rainbow, here to share the truth unapologetically. Now let's get ready to breathe. Let's get ready to breathe in that good ass prana and know what it means to be free. Let's go. That's how free you are. Alive and well. One more time. Deep from the base of your spine and light up those chakras like the rainbow in the sky. And remember, you and you alone create your reality you wish to see. So create it beautifully, infinitely, abundantly. Now today, I want to talk to you guys the benefits of grounding yourself in Mother Nature, the benefits of healing yourself in Mother Nature. Because for those who don't know, that Mother Nature carries a high love vibrational frequency. You know, she is a sentient being, alive and well amongst us. Now, most people talk about Mother Nature's beneficial properties for healing and for the food that she provides, which is also medicine for your bodies. Because our bodies originally came from Mother Earth. You know, we are carbon or matter created from carbon or stardust. And not just carbon and stardust and all the minerals in the earth, but we also were given life through the essence of esoteric frequencies which are embedded into the earth. And in knowing thyself, you will come to understand on a deep molecular level that we are all spiritual beings having human experience. What makes us human is stardust or carbon is vibrating on a higher frequency that makes matter solid. And because of all of this, we are all connected once you come to know thyself, you will realize this. And the only way you can go about this is through grounding yourself in Mother Nature and silencing yourself to hear your higher nature, which is teaching you who you are from Mother Nature's Akashic record. So this sounds like Akashic record. What is this thing? Mother Nature, because she knows all and sees all and is a loving sentient being that is nurturing, caring, giving, understanding, and sometimes can be damn well unattainable and destructive. She holds a lot of compassion towards humanity, her animals, the trees, and every living species on this planet. She absorbs your energy and she transmutes them by forgiving your ways. But mankind has become somewhat entitled that they have lost their respect for her. And so having hope that they will turn away from a system that they were programmed to, that she allowed in her space so that humanity could have experienced a conventional way of living to bring technology onto the planet that seemed beneficial to her. She was manipulated and deceived. And now that we are ascending, Mother Nature has become extremely exhausted on waiting for her children to recognize themselves, and along with the eaters has given mankind a choice to reconnect with her or disconnect totally from her. Let's talk about her Akashic record. Now, Akashic record is like, if you think all you have libraries on this planet, all you have library is joke to the Akashic record. Because the things that were done on this planet, the negative energies that were distributed, were destructive to her, were manipulative, were deceitful. All the sinful natures you can think of was stored, was absorbed, was stored, and was forgiven. Now that Mother Nature has had enough and decided to ascend to higher states of consciousness, she has released her Akashic record onto mankind to get rid of their traumas if they want to move in to higher states of consciousness and better living for human beings and freedom in the way it is. Now, the only way you as human beings can do this is engaging in gratitude, love, and appreciation, and grounding your energies so that she can now heal your traumatic ways, give on to you for you to choose yourself by surrendering your traumatic ways onto the ethers, onto the spirit, which is our breath, to purify and also rebirth pure love frequencies into our avatars, making us super hybrids with Mother Nature. So I urge you today, tap into that love frequency, get yourself out in nature, and let her reprogram your subconscious mind into your heart space so that your mind can be at peace with itself, can be contented with itself, and be loved by itself. And yes, you can ask me how I have come to know this. I am a blend of both, existing in all. I am Cosmic Rainbow, here to share the truth unapologetically. Do have a beautiful day. Consider subscribing to my channel and sharing this message. Do have a beautiful day. I love all of you.